Hello and welcome, guys. Here in today's lecture, we are going to learn about abstract classes. A vehicle is not a real world object. It is a concept that some real world objects like car, trucks, buses, van, and motorcycles embody. All these like to use the fact that each of these objects can be considered a vehicle to remove a repeated code. So we would like to use this fact that for each of these objects. So let's see, if we have a class vehicle and we pass the object to it, a vehicle for sale by Toyota Motors dealership, attributes wheels and integer representing these are the attributes: wheels, miles, make, model, year, sold on, the price, the date the vehicle was sold. So base sale price is 0. Here if we see, there are three methods. One is the init method, where which we are initializing all the attributes. Return a new vehicle object with wheels, miles, make, model, year, and sold on attributes. This method is for sale price, returning the sale price for this vehicle, float amount. So if the self.sold.on is not none, then return 0. Otherwise return 7,000. Def purchase price self. If sold on is none, return 0. Self base sale price minus 15% as per the miles. So now we can make the car and bus class inherit from the vehicle class by replacing objects in line class car object or bus object. These classes in parentheses is the class that is inherited from object, essentially means no inheritance. We'll discuss exactly what we write in the bed. We can now define the car and bus. Suppose we define the car class, which is inherited from the vehicle. And the same initialization method where we are assigning the properties and base sale price 8,000. And same for the bus, and we are here initializing all the attributes for that. This works but has a few problems. What are the problems with this code? We are still repeating a lot of code. We need to get rid of all repetition. Here we have introduced the vehicle class, but should we really allow people to create vehicle objects as opposed to car or bus or motorcycle? A vehicle is just a concept, not a real thing. So V is equal to vehicle for Honda Civic 2020 none, and then print V dot purchase. A vehicle does not have base sale price. Only the individual child classes like car and bus do. The issue is that vehicle should really be on abstract base class. Abstract base classes that only mean to be inherit from you cannot create the instances. That means that a vehicle is an ABC, the following is illegal. So we just want to use the abstract way some common data and behavior. So how do we make a class an abstract class? Simple. The ABC module contains the meta class called ABC meta. This is ABC meta, which we are importing. Meta class are so simply the ABC module contains the meta class called ABC meta. Setting the class meta class to ABC meta and make one of methods virtual make it ABC. A virtual method is one that ABC says must exist in child class but does not necessarily actually implement. So here we go. We are just ABC importing ABC meta and abstract method. So class is vehicle. Now meta class is equal to ABC meta. Base sale price, purchase price, and now here we are just creating the virtual function or the abstract method vehicle type. So here vehicle type is abstract method. We can't directly create an instance of vehicle. As long as car and bus inherit from the vehicle and define vehicle type, we can instantiate those classes just fine. So let's try to remove the common functionality to the base class vehicle. So here from ABC import ABC abstract meta, and here these are the attributes which we are just commented here. Now this is the definition in initialization, sale price, purchase, and here the vehicle type method. That is the now our car and buses classes. If you see here car class, base sale price and vehicle is equal to 4. Vehicle type and base sale price of this and wheels 4 and vehicle type this returning bus. And similar like motorcycle, we can do it. So now we have removed all repetitions in it. This is the concept of the abstract class. You can practice it and just get done this concept. Thank you and bye for now.